What do you got, Austin?
Some moose horns.
Some moose horns? That's a nice rack you got there.
Yeah.
Give me a walk around on the mini bike. Sounds like it's got a hot cam in it. Man. That is cool. Listen to that thing. What, is that a 3/4 race cam?
Oh yeah. Nothing less.
Look at the chain. The chain says, I want to go. I want to go right.